MCQ from SQL series. So it is a medium level question, 180 consecutive number. So it has a table name logs, 2 column ID and num. ID is auto increment column start from 1, and the question asks all the number appear at least 3 times consecutively. So whenever you find consecutively terms, so always the very first thing comes into your mind, like we have to use row number, then only we find the consecutively thing, and lead and like that as the other function, but very basic comes from mind and is only row number. Okay, so we have a number and we have ID. ID is auto increment and num. So basically we have to perform our query on num, on this column num. So select num comma row number over partition by num, or why partition by, because we partitionate this column based on the value. We don't want each row number for everything. We want some category based on this number value. That is why we participate this. And order by ID, we want in same order as rank from logs. So see, it gives us somehow some result, not the accurate result, but we first understand how this query run. Okay, see, for 111 it give 1 2 3, for 1 4, then when the first 2 come, it give the row number value as 1. Okay, so our participation is work correctly. But now we have to do one more thing, ID minus. Okay, why ID minus? See, the column is 1 2 3 4 5 6. When we minus ID from this column, it gives us some certain value. So see what the value it gives us. See, for the 1 it gives 0, and another when the 1 comes give 1, 2 for 3, 2 for 4, and another 2 for 4. So something is clear, like the 1 comes properly, that is why it gave 0. Okay, come consecutively as we see. So our query is almost completed. Select num as consecutively nums, or the distant num. From T group by num comma rank, because we don't want this until we not group, it gives us 1 1 1 0 0 0, more than one row for the same value. Okay, and having count equal to 3, because we have to check at least 3 times. So somehow we have to count this value, this value. If 1 2 3, see this both number rank and number rank 1 2 3. If equal to 3 or greater than, then return the number. Okay, so which number is 1? So I think you understand the query, how we use subquery, how we use the row number, why we subtract ID from the row number, why we group by this num and rank, and why we count, and why we use having. Okay, so maybe all your doubt will be clear. If any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. So thank you for watching the video, and stay tuned for the next video.